Welcome back to another episode of Golf Cart Experts. I'm Mike with Golf Cart Tire Supply. Today we're going to be installing a RHOX 700 series rear seat kit on our 2007 E-Z-GO TXT. In the included instructions, it has us taking off the front seat backs as well as the rear bag holders, but that's already been done to this cart, so we're going to start with step 2, which is the installation of the seat brackets. The tools needed for today's installation are going to be a drill, a 3/8 drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, T20 Torx bit, and you'll need 5 different size sockets: 10mm, 7/16, ½ inch, 9/16, and 17mm. For the installation of the mounting brackets, you're going to need your 9/16 socket as well as the installation hardware contained in bag 1. You're going to want to match up the holes that are on the mounting bracket with the holes on the frame. You're going to use your installation hardware to fasten it to the cart. Before you can install the mounting brackets in the bag wheel of your cart, you're going to want to get your drill, your 3/8 bit, and to pilot out the outermost holes in the bag wheel of your cart to be able to get the hardware through. Once you have your holes piloted out, you're going to want to get your mounting brackets and make sure that the flange is facing towards the front of the cart. You'll use the remaining hardware from bag 1 for the installation of these brackets. You'll use the bolt and one of the washers from bag 1 to go through the top of the mounting bracket, while the nut and the other washer fasten to the bolt beneath the frame. The next step in the installation process is attaching the seat platform to the cart. For the ease of the video, we've already placed it on here. You're just going to want to match up the slots on the seat platform with the holes on the brackets and slide the hardware from bag 3 through. To complete the installation of the seat platform to your cart, you're going to want to gather the remaining hardware from bag 3 and install the back of the seat platform to the rear mounting brackets. To install the armrests on your rear seat, you're going to need to install the footplate first. Line the brackets up on your footplate with the brackets that are already mounted on your cart. When installing this rear seat with one person, I've found it easy to set these brackets on the rear bumper to steady it while you place the hardware in there. For this part of the installation, you're going to want to use the 10x25 bolts that are in bag 2. The next step in the installation is going to be putting your armrests on the rear seat. You're going to want to use the Phillips hex bolts from bag 4 to attach the top parts of the armrest. You're going to want to tighten these loosely so that you can adjust on the bottom when we get to that point. In order to complete the installation of your armrest, you're going to want to get your plastic footplate bracket and slide it up over the bottom of the armrest. You'll use the remaining hardware from bag 4 to attach it to your footplate. After you finish installing the armrests on the rear seat, go back through and make sure that all of the fastening hardware is tightened. The next step in the process is going to be putting these mounting brackets on the rear seat back. You want the flange on this bracket facing the center of the seat, and you're going to use the mounting hardware from bag 5 to fasten this to the back of the seat. When installing the rear seat back onto the main frame, this is when you'll also reconnect the OEM roof struts. Use the remaining hardware in bag 2 to complete the installation. The final step in the installation is going to be connecting the seat bottom to the frame of the cart. You're going to want to line up these mounting holes with the mounting holes on the cart and use the self-tapping screws to fasten them to the seat. That concludes the installation of this rear seat kit. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching today's video.